Hey guys, I'm Carl Bratch from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce you to the Ocelot gear bag. This is a fantastic entry-level gear bag. Starts in about $49.99 and gives you lots of room for your gear. You can put motocross boots on either end. The center compartment is very large. It's made of 600D Cordura. Now, let's get into the details. This Ocelot gear bag measures 35 inches long by 15 inches wide by 16 inches high. It features a very large storage compartment here in the center and boot storage at both ends of the bag. Now, of course, you can run two sets of boots, or you can use the other side for other things, but just know that each side is large enough for a pair of boots. Let's take a look at that right now. Here on this side of the bag, for demonstration purposes only, boots do not come with the bag, please note, we have a pair of motocross boots. Now, what you're going to notice here at the bottom of the bag is the fact that this compartment has provisions for the toe of the boot to go forward into the main compartment. So you're going to have your boot itself. It's going to come down and go into that little cubby hole, if you will, and then allow you to get a pair of boots on this side of the bag. Now we'll go ahead and take that second boot and show you just how large this compartment is on this side of the bag as well. We're gonna go ahead and take our boot, slide that toe into the cubby hole towards the front or the main compartment of the bag. And we'll go ahead and give it a zip. So we have essentially two pairs of boots inside this bag. Now, how large is the main compartment here? We currently have 3 motocross helmets inside this bag. Again, the motocross helmets don't come in the bag. We're just showing you the spacious capacity of the bag itself. Again, we've got not 1, not 2, but 3 motocross helmets inside this gear bag. Now, inside this bag, you're going to find a very large main compartment. Enough room for all of the motocross gear that you're going to want to take to the track. Pants, jerseys, chest protectors, you name it, it can fit inside this bag. This large pocket here on the outside of the bag is about 10 inches in depth and about 8 inches in total width. It's a great place to put goggles or other smaller knick-knack type items like that. Another additional feature of this bag is going to be the shoulder strap that's going to clip onto both ends of the bag and allow you to carry this bag over your shoulder. Now, this bag is made of a 600 denier Cordura, so it's going to be nice and strong. Now, if you're only running one boot, you can go ahead and set the boot in this direction. That's going to allow you to be able to put a boot on either side, allowing you to utilize the boot compartments on either end. With the boots in this orientation, the toes are pointed either forward or aft, and that allows you to have more room inside the main compartment here. So an alternate setup for this bag is you can have your boots on one end and your helmet on the other. So on this side, we have both of our motocross boots with those toes facing inwards we talked about earlier. And on this side of the bag, we have our motocross helmet. Again, none of these objects come with the bag. We have the bag and the carrying strap is the only thing that we're looking at. Speaking of carrying straps, we have a strap here on either end of the bag. Now that's gonna allow you to grab the bag and lift it as a single unit. Or if you're loading this bag into a higher loft or a top shelf somewhere, you can simply grab the handle and then use the back handle over here to lift it up onto a shelf. Thanks for watching the detailed breakdown of our Ocelot gear bag. If you're looking for the next step up, we do have the Ocelot Progear Bag. That's going to be a PVC coated 600 denier nylon bag. It's gonna have a changing mat and extra compartments that this bag does not have. So if you're looking for the bare bones base, it's gonna give you lots of storage space and is gonna be durable, this is a great bag for you. But if you're looking to step up your game, take a look at the Ocelot Progear Bag. If you like what you saw today, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.